Top 10 Monster Bugs in the World. You might have nightmares after watching this video. In this video, the term bugs is used informally to refer to a wide range of creepy crawly creatures, including insects, spiders, centipedes, and scorpions. Bugs are both scary and fascinating. They come in a dazzling array of shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are stunningly beautiful, others are intriguingly strange, and a few are downright terrifying. While most bugs are small, some can grow to truly surprising sizes. Would you be fascinated or frightened if you encountered one of these giant insects? Here we present some of the largest bugs discovered. Number 10. Goliath Beetle, Goliathus goliatus. The Goliath Beetle, Goliathus goliatus, is one of the largest and heaviest insects in the world, native to the tropical forests of Africa. These beetles can reach lengths of up to 4.3 inches, or 11 centimeters, and weigh as much as 3.5 ounces, or 100 grams. They are known for their striking appearance, with a distinctive pattern of black and white markings on their hardened forewings. Goliath beetles are primarily herbivorous, feeding on tree sap and fruit. Their larvae, which can grow even larger than the adults, feed on decaying wood and can take several months to develop into mature beetles. Number 9. Giant water bug, Lethoceras grandis. The giant water bug, Lethoceras grandis, is a large aquatic insect found in freshwater habitats across the Americas, particularly in North and South America. These bugs can grow up to 4.75 inches, or 12 centimeters, long, making them one of the largest true bugs. They are known for their powerful front legs, which they use to catch and hold onto prey, including fish, amphibians, and even small birds. Giant water bugs are also known for their painful bite, which they use to inject digestive enzymes into their prey. Number 8. Titan beetle, Titanus gigantus. The Titan beetle is found in South America, predominantly in the Amazon rainforest. This massive beetle can grow up to 6.6 inches, or 16.7 centimeters, long and are known for their powerful jaws, which can snap pencils in half. Number 7. Hercules beetle, Dynastes hercules. The Hercules beetle is one of the largest beetles in the world, native to the rainforests of Central and South America. These beetles can grow up to 7 inches, or 18 centimeters, long, including their impressive horn, which males use in combat to establish dominance. The Hercules beetle is known for its remarkable strength, capable of lifting objects up to 850 times its own weight. Their larvae feed on decaying wood, taking up to 2 years to mature into adults. Number 6. Giant Weta, Dinacrita heteracantha. The giant Weta, Dinacrita heteracantha, is one of the largest and heaviest insects in the world, native to New Zealand. These flightless crickets can grow up to 8 inches, or 20 centimeters, in length and weigh up to 2.5 ounces, 70 grams, making them heavier than some small birds. Number 5. Giant centipedes, Scolopendra gigantea. Giant centipedes are among the largest centipedes in the world, reaching lengths of up to 12 inches, or 30 centimeters. Found in tropical and subtropical regions, these formidable predators have powerful venomous fangs that they use to subdue their prey, which can include insects, small mammals, and even birds. Their elongated, segmented bodies and numerous legs allow them to move quickly and navigate through their environments with ease. Number 4. Giant forest scorpion, Gigantometris swammerdami. The giant forest scorpion is among the largest scorpions in the world, reaching lengths of 9 inches, or 23 centimeters, and weighing 60 grams on average. However, the largest specimen of giant forest scorpion on record is 11.49 inches or 29.2 centimeters found in the village of Krishnarajapuram, India during World War II. The giant forest scorpion native to rainforests in India. These scorpions are known for their impressive size and striking appearance. Their bodies have colors ranging from uniform reddish-brown to reddish-black. Its venom is not usually lethal to humans because it has arguably evolved to kill its prey by crushing it with its pincers and not by venom. Number 3. Goliath Birdeater Spider, Theraphosa blondie. The Goliath Birdeater is the largest tarantula in world, and the largest spider by mass and body length. Native to the rainforests of South America, these spiders can have a leg span of up to 12 inches, or 30 centimeters, and weigh over 6 ounces, or 170 grams. Despite their name, they rarely eat birds. Their diet mainly consists of insects, small mammals, and amphibians. The Goliath Birdeater is known for its impressive size and its ability to produce a hissing sound by rubbing its legs together when threatened. While their venom is not deadly to humans, their large fangs can deliver a painful bite. Number 2. Atlas Moth, Attacus atlas. The Atlas moth, Attacus atlas, is one of the largest moths in the world, with a wingspan that can reach up to 12 inches, or 30 centimeters. Native to the tropical and subtropical forests of Southeast Asia, this moth is known for its striking appearance, with reddish-brown wings adorned with intricate patterns that resemble a map, hence its name. The Atlas moth does not have a fully developed mouth, so it does not eat during its adult life, which lasts only a few days to a couple of weeks. Instead, it relies on the energy stored from its larval stage. Number 1. Stick insects, Phasmatodea. Stick insects, also known as phasmids, is the longest bug in the world. They are masters of camouflage, blending seamlessly into their surroundings to avoid predators. These insects can grow to impressive lengths, with some species like Phryginistria chinensis reaching up to 22 inches, or 56 centimeters. Stick insects can be found all around the world, including tropical and subtropical areas. Their elongated bodies and twig-like appearance make them almost invisible in their natural habitats. Despite their delicate look, stick insects have fascinating defense mechanisms, such as shedding limbs to escape predators and regenerating them over time. If you liked this video, please leave a comment or give a thumbs up and remember to hit subscribe.